Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2019, and we're in the Legrand booth, I guess, which is new, kind of, right? Last time we were here at Milestone. I'm here with Steve Durkee, Senior Vice President of Commercial Products for Legrand. Good morning, first off.
Yep, thank you. Glad to have you here. Looked like a nice start to ISE. Busy again.
Yeah, busy, and you guys have a great location. Entrance, Crestron U. So
yes,
that's not a bad.
It's great. It'll be helpful again when we get a little more space in Barcelona, because obviously that used to everybody just walk in that front door. Now they come through the tent, so a little bit of disruption, but it's still good.
Yeah. Well, everybody knows where you are. So over the last year, 18 months, things have changed quite a bit. I mean, last time we were here, we're standing in a Milestone booth. Now that's different, and then you've added some. You've got a big brand behind me here, Middle Atlantic. Talk about what's happened.
We do. Back in the summer of 2017, Milestone, and what we now refer to internally as former Milestone, was bought by Legrand, and then at that point it made sense for Legrand to consolidate their commercial AV businesses, which meant bringing Middle Atlantic and all the former Milestone brands, Vadio, Daylight, and Chief, together into something we now call Legrand AV.
Yep.
And so now we're in the process of bringing all those together. In the U.S., we've changed our sales structure to make it a little easier for our customers. And here we're now showing all of those brands under one roof, including Middle Atlantic. So it's exciting.
And Projecta. Don't forget about Projecta as well.
For in Europe for Projecta, which is definitely our primary projection screen brand here. Yeah.
Exactly.
So now we got 5 here.
Yeah, five brands in one. And we're going to take you through a quick tour. Now we're going to go around and shoot individual product videos at each one of these product stations. You'll actually see all the new products they're launching here at the show. So all you have to do is type in the brand that you're interested in the video search window. But we're going to kind of take a quick loop around the show. And you can see you have Vadio, Daylight, and of course, big rack section here with Middle Atlantic. But what are you going to take us back to some of these rooms back here?
Yeah, what we'll do is when we try to put all these brands into one location, it does tough to fit. So we try to give everybody a home, so you can see brands, you can see the different projector products, you can see the camera products, mount areas. But in the center here, we've actually tried to bring them together into vignettes, because ultimately that's what makes us different now, is we can create solutions. And so that's what you'll see when we walk back.
All right, we're going to head back here to the center of the booth, and he's going to show us the vignettes, which are designed, from what I understand, to highlight kind of an integrated system with all the companies together.
Yeah, that's what we can do differently now, is not only can we be easier for our integration partners to work with, because they can go to one stop for all these brands, but ultimately the goal is create product solutions that work better together. So we go back here into our area. We've got sort of a classroom setting here where you can see we've got our different projection screen products, our idea screens from Daylight and Projecta. We've got our cameras from Vadio that can follow the presenter around. So that's a lot of those in the higher education markets. Carts are becoming a big deal, touch screens in education. So we've got all those solutions. Our integrated rack solution. So yeah, this is just an opportunity to say, look at how all these different solutions come together. Behind the scenes, we've got connectivity, we've got networking equipment. So yeah, it's all here to see for everybody. And finally, it's interesting for me because some of our customers go, I understood you had all these products, but when you show it to them in a vignette, it makes a little more sense to them.
Yeah, and I have 3 of these brands in my classroom at UNC, including the Vadio system, following me around all the time. Makes me nervous sometimes, but also confident sometimes.
Yeah, we just got to get you to put the idea screens in.
Well, that room has got a big wall that we're projecting on. It's a little big. But what about this? Is it a theater or what is it?
Yeah, it's just kind of showing our home theater. Some of our highest end materials in here showing just color reproduction and quality resolution. So that's still a story for both Projecta and Daylight. As you know, that is where you start to get into using high quality materials, is you want perfect color reproduction, you want 8K, you want 16K. So this is an opportunity to sort of control the light and give them that view.
Now we have obviously huddle room spaces over here.
Yeah, huddle rooms are huge these days, right? Every place is turning into a video conferencing area. So not only are we showing, we have Middle Atlantic furniture that we offer from that brand, we also show our new Huddle Shot solution from Vadio, which is sort of an all-in-one soft client video conferencing product. And then of course you have...
Let's move around here and show that actually. This is here.
So right down there is our new all-in-one Vadio solution for huddle spaces. So we've got the camera, we've got the audio in there, all in a nice package, fits well. But the benefit is you still get sort of that Vadio quality audio and video that we think is differentiated.
And it's underneath the monitor right there. If you can look, you can see the integrated camera inside.
One of the first views of one of the first products there that we have there. So those will be out shipping before InfoComm, so get a chance at InfoComm to see them live in production.
So that's Vadio branded. What's the name of the product again?
Huddle Shot.
Huddle Shot.
Vadio Huddle Shot. Yep.
You like that word "shot" in Vadio?
We do. Yes.
Yeah.
We got the Robo Shot, the Huddle Shot, the Prime Shot. You name it. Yeah.
All right, let's go around to the other side, because here you have showing in a slightly larger conference room application where you've got a traditional video conferencing
We've got
system.
more of our RoboShot products along with our Vadio bridges, which they've obviously Vadio made a name for themselves creating those bridges to take all those analog products and give yourself a USB cord to be able to plug right into your computer and turn anything into a soft client solution.
They were really the first company to kind
They were.
of to capitalize on USB connectivity. They kind of
Bridges
innovated.
for sure, yeah.
Yeah.
And then I want to walk over to this side and just, obviously digital signage is a big marketplace, and there's been the evolution of direct view LED. And the Chief brand has followed that evolution just like it did from projectors to flat panels. And so if you look at this wall here is our new tiled solution for all of these direct view LEDs. And they do what Chief's always done. They make it easy to install. Because if you get out to a job site and you can't finish that day, it's expensive. So the Chief product has done what they did in video walls, which is make sure you can get it right and get it done the day you're out there. And yeah, it's been a great new solution for us. And you're seeing these all over the show, right? I mean, these are everywhere.
Yeah, and obviously you've built something that takes all these disparate systems and make them standard through a universal mounting system.
Well, these are specific to the different brands, but the universal, yes, that is the goal, is the universal. And we've had them, but then you've got to make them a little less specific, so we think we'll start by making them for the panels, and then you'll see a universal one coming.
Yeah, well, I mean, obviously you can see that's the direction you're ultimately.
For sure. That's what all the integrators want, for sure, yeah. So we're getting there. But it's a good new product.
I have a quick question for you, because obviously our industry is moving quickly towards the network.
Yes.
And you have Luxol back there, but we didn't really cover them. How do they fit into the to your company infrastructure ecosystem?
So great question. So Luxol is a Legrand AV brand. So we do some selling for other brands of Legrand that we don't have within the AV division, but Luxol is one of them. It's been primarily a residential solution, but we're starting to bring it to market on the commercial side as well.
Yeah, because our people are basically putting in instead of attaching a lot of our AV over IP stuff to the existing network, they're putting you're creating your own network, and isn't that a perfect brand?
It's awesome for that, yeah. So we just launched that at the beginning of 2019. Our commercial organization is going to bring the Luxol brand to the commercial customers. We think it's a great opportunity, yeah.
So by Infocom, we'll probably see that more integrated.
We're already out there, yeah. Yep.
All right, so find out more information, go to legrand.com. Steve, thank you very much for the tour.
Thanks, Gary.
And did we miss anything, or we catch everything?
No, I think we caught everything. You're going to get specific product videos later, so as you said, everybody can go look at those and see whatever specific technology they want to look at.
Yeah, in fact, we are going to shoot individual product videos at each one of these stations. We'll also get Luxol included in that, as well as all the brands here, the other 5 brands. Check it all out. You can, of course, go to legrand.com, legrand.com. You can check out all of our ISE coverage at raypubs.com. Thanks for watching.